I ended up selling it for $10.
If that's what they're after, I'll do it. Yeah? No heat cycler.
Ooh, I need a heat cycle.
It sounds like Dale's recycling. It sounds like Dale's recycling.
All the bearings are shot in it.
Yeah.
Ain't no guy hauls ass.
Oh, it ain't up there yet.
Give it a minute.
It wobbles.
It'll straighten out a little bit.
I need that in my garage.
Who's there, though?
Hit the kill switch.
Suicide switch.
It's a shit box. Like the old furnace.
That's an old bastard there.
It worked good.
It was probably put in when the
If
house
the
was
heat
built.
exchanger's thick enough, you could probably burn wood in a damn thing with the gas valve. Okay.
The house was built in the 60s.
The original one.
I'd say.
Coast down takes a while, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
That thing does sound like scrap metal over there.
I don't know how common a 120 volt one is. Made in USA.
A lot of them you come across are 240 for some reason.
What is this thing? A Canarm?
Yeah, it's a can on it. I got it from old Tommy Bodden.
Tommy Bodine.
I'm Tom Bodden, I'll leave the light on for you.
Tom Bodine.
Tom
We'll
Bodine.
leave the fan on for you.
I'll leave the fan on for you.
God dang, this is going on for what? About a minute of spin down
It
here.
might shake like Mike's beard, but it spins down long.
Tommy Bodine from Motel 9. Remember that freaking place? Motel Deluxe 8 or the Super 8 and Motel 6 and somewhere down by Peterson's there was a Motel 9.
Oh yeah. Hotel 9. My arms are getting sore. Hurry the hell up.
When Binky did a video and I just laid struck like in the chair.
That would have been a better idea. Put Nathan in the chair.
Hurry up and wait.
It's almost done though. I hope anyway. And are we done? We are done. We'll call it there.